Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my April's top box. I realize it is here super early, which is pretty crazy considering I literally just uploaded my Marches. So yeah, this month is interesting. I don't think I picked anything in this one. So this is what it looks like in here. The card, and this is the Sweet Treats one from Boxy Charm. Obviously it's got candy and macaroon. Oh geez. So this is what it looks like. Again, no variation. I don't really, unless that is a variation, I don't know. So let's jump right into this. The first thing I see is this here. So this is I have no idea what brand this is. Kinder Beauty. All right, so this is the Kinder Glow. Oh, this is a highlighting palette. All right, let's take a look at this. Comes in bubble wrap. Then there is this here. Okay, let's open it up. There is a mirror on the inside. And then this is what it looks like. So there is Gracious, Angel, Loving, and Kindly, which are the colors. I'm really excited for this. So my hand has got the swatch of these two here, the closest ones. So I don't know if this one here is going to be really that great for my skin tone, but the rest of these are really bright and nice. So that palette is that's only $15. That's not bad. I'm gonna have to check out the rest of this brand, see if anything else sparks my interest. And then in here is this from Eloise, and this is a Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator in Champagne Rich is what this one's called. So that's a very cute little bottle. This is 30 milliliters, so that's pretty nice. This is an interesting color. Let's test it out here. That's what it looks like on my skin. Has a nice smell to it. It kind of just blends in. I don't know if my camera's picking that up, but if I illuminate it more. This is a $38. Woo! This is $38. Ooh, okay. Well, I realize that this is probably going to be the glowy box because, you know, spring and all, but I don't actually use body glitter, body gleaming stuff, so I'm not super excited for this. There are 3 more items in the box. I'm going to start with this one here, and this is from Appeal, and this is a liquid eyeshadow. So I'm just going to, that looks like a lipstick brush, but okay. Oh, okay. That is what it looks like on my skin. Let's just take a look at this. That looks very similar to the Body Glow. The only thing is this is brighter. Obviously it's an eyeshadow. So I'm not really a big fan of this kind of item either. I do like the Stila, what are these? The Glittering Glows. But this kind of thing isn't something I'd wear very often. I don't really know why they put so much things like this in this box this year. This month, I realized they're trying to make it look all glittery and glowy because I guess spring has sprung. But honestly, in my thing, I've said that I don't want any body stuff or like foundations and stuff, so I guess maybe they kind of don't know what to do. Anyway, so then this here, the Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow is $21. See, if I'm gonna spend $21 on a liquid glitter or something, I would just go and buy a Stila, but that's just me. Both of those items may be rehomed. I don't think I'm actually going to use either of them. Up next is this here, and this is from Earth Harbor, and this is, Earth Harbor Naturals is what it is. And this is and this is also in Aurora. So this is a superfood. It's got sea greens and cannabis hemp oil, stevia hemp, which I don't know what the hell that is. says dive into glowy skin. Oh, okay, so this is like a skin oil. I think that is what this is. Let's just, it's got one of those little, oh, I just dropped some on my hand. Perfect. It smells very earthy, which is nice. I don't really love strong scents on a face oil. Oh, once you kind of move it around, it has more of a scent, but it's not really that bad. I don't dislike the scent, so I really like the packaging. That's super cute. This is a $32 face oil, and it gives your face some illumination. So obviously the theme of this month is illuminating and skinny stuff. I've never actually tried anything from Earth Harbor, so that's exciting. I kind of really wanted to try that. So there's one more item left in this Boxy charm this month, and this is the only thing that I had seen sneak peeks for, and I was super excited about it. But my only concern was there was a few sneak peeks of this that the one that I really didn't want, so I'm not sure which one I got. But this is the Natasha Denona palette, and this is an Aya palette. Okay, so let's take a look at this. I'm not sure which one that is. For some reason, I can't remember the names of any of these palettes. So I'll let you guys see it first. I didn't really want the one that has all the, ooh, okay, great. So the other one, I'll put a photo of it in here, was the other palette I really didn't want because I didn't know what I was gonna do with it, even though it matches my hair. But so this is what it looks like, and I am definitely down for this kind of palette. I have the bronze palette, and then I have the sunrise palette, so those are kind of, one's the brownie one and one's the other one, so I'm really excited for this. This I could do a lot of looks with. Let me just swatch. So the two I'm not sure about are, oh wow, okay, was that gray color, but that is definitely more of a silvery gray, which is beautiful. And then this dark one here, which I don't really love dark browns. Oops. It's very cool toned. It looks kind of gray. So that's like a dark kind of color that I don't, probably not going to use the bottom with that dark one very much. I will, however, use everything except for probably this one. I might use this one a tiny little bit, but that's all right. So the Natasha Denona palette is $48. So I don't hate it. This literally makes this box. These two items I will totally use all the time. And then obviously I'll try this one out. So I guess 3 out of 5 isn't bad. These two items are definitely going to be rehomed. I am not a huge fan of either of them. Let's just tally up what this is. Okay, so altogether the box is about $154, so that's not bad, to be perfectly honest. So $95 is the total of the items I'm actually going to use and keep, which, to be perfectly honest, is when I spent like about $50 for shipping and handling and exchange rate for this box. Granted, I could have literally just bought in the palette for that kind of money, but this palette actually, I haven't seen these palettes here in Canada. These are the palettes that you can purchase. These are the mini ones. So I've only seen these ones, and these ones are like $35. So if you compare the size, and then they're saying that these ones are $49, in Canada, these would be quite a bit more money. I do have a few of these, but I've gotten them in either BoxyCharm or I've bought them through BoxyCharm. So these are the little palettes that we can purchase here in Canada. So I don't know if that's just a States thing. I have not seen these differences yet here. I'm not sure how expensive they would be in Canada. If you are Canadian and you have actually been able to purchase these somewhere, let me know where you get them in the comments below, so I can actually see if I can find some of them. So that was everything in this month of April's Boxy charm. I'm so happy it actually got here before, you know, the next month. If you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of my upcoming videos. It would help my channel out a lot. I would really appreciate it. Also, I hope you guys are staying safe and have a great day. Bye!